morning from Roatan. Oasis of the Seas is in port with us today. Look like they're doing lifeboat training over there.
Named their currency after a revolutionary person, which is this guy you see to the right hand side of you on the bill on its forehead. So his name was Lempira. He was an indigenous Lenca warrior that was able to fight against the Spanish when they were coming here to conquer these lands. For months, he was able to gather the 6 civilizations of the indigenous of Honduras to be able to fight against the Spanish. For months, they were going back and forth trying to get rid of them, but they couldn't. These guys were savages in the mountains with bow arrows. Eventually, they tried to talk a peace treaty with them, which really was a trade treaty, which really was a setup to assassinate them. Once they got rid of Lempira, they took over Honduras, and this was the Spanish, which on the left side of the bill, here in very small numbers, it says our independence, which is September 15th of 1821, right? In which you got that triangle too, that's like in a dollar bill.
Yeah.
It's almost in all currencies. So at that time, in 1821, when we got the independence from the Spanish, it wasn't just Honduras that got their independence. The 5 stars in the Honduran flag represent the 5 countries that got their independence from the Spanish in that year, and they were once all a union. Which this was Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Costa Rica. Mm-hmm. So the 5 stars in our flag represents these 5 countries that were once a union. The white in our flag represents peace, and the blue represents death, because our bodies to water are.
So we're gonna learn a little bit of chocolate.
We're at the chocolate factory in West End across from that beautiful beach. There goes Shelly. We're gonna get a little history lesson in chocolate, and then we're gonna take some.
Gets me in trouble. I love it. There, you can walk in there.
And ice cream.
I think I want this white chocolate strawberry. It sounds interesting.
That's what I'm getting.
Yes. You gotta get different flavors. Just switch up.
Okay, I'll get caramel.
Perfect.
And it's all made here.
Caramel ice cream. Oh, this is good. Look how beautiful this resort is. This is Brisas del Mar Beach and Dive Resort. Very, very nice. So, leaving the resort. Very nice, very picturesque, but service with the food was bad. Me and Edna went and got in the ocean and all of that stuff. Sat in the ocean, chit-chatted and all of that for like probably like a good, what were we in the ocean for, like an hour?
At least 45.
Yeah, almost.
It was a minute.
And
Chilling.
sat there chilling, lounging in the ocean and all of that stuff. They had ordered their food and everything. Still didn't get it. So, great beach. Looks like a great resort if you're staying in one of their villas, but their food is slow.
Especially because, like, you know, everywhere you go in the Western Caribbean route, it's all flat. You go to Cozumel, it's flat. You go to Belize, it's flat. You go to Costa Maya, it's flat. You come to Roatan, and it's all hilly and stuff, right?
We're here at the rum factory because we've been here before when we came to Roatan before.
Oh, that hit the spot.
And Jeremy told me that if I didn't come back with rum, that I couldn't come back. So, into the rum factory we go.
It's all already planned.
Exactly, yeah.
And, you know, out of all that,
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
You seem to think.
You should be cruising all the time.
All the time. Well, y'all enjoy the vacation.
You as well.
Take care.
Maybe we're seeing.
Look at the butterfly.
Yeah, look all this money I got. You know what I can buy with this? Just a bottle of water. That's it. But I got bottled on the budget. This is true bottle on the budget. This is Edna's bottle on the budget. Because this is just for this.
Girl, what? You rich. She out here flossing on them.
Right.
She flossing.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
I think I know this for myself. What is it?
I don't know whether they let you back on with port food. So just in case, I'm sitting here finishing this. A chicken empanada. Chicken and carrots. Really good. You know, folks get grown and get outside. No, go ahead.
But the problem is,
I'm just saying, look at her, y'all. She is showing out on this vacation with these clothes. Thank you for the whistle. That was perfect. I'm just saying.
why you gotta be petty?
Because she's showing her ass.
I'm not that. I'm fully covered.
No, not
Well-
showing her. No, not literally showing your ass. She been dressing on this cruise, y'all. She been showing out.
That's petty.
They're doing the 55 to stay alive game, and they have a glass jar up there where we were able to put our names in and enter. So let's see if me and Edna gonna get a chance to go up there and play this game.
This my little thing gonna pick my name.
People ball up to 5. Okay, 5 cups.
Edna made the
5
game
people
show,
balls.
y'all.
All right.
Let's go!
You're ready. Are you ready? Okay, it's gonna be 55 seconds when I say go. Okay, can you help me? If I say ready, set, you say?
Go!
Okay, ready, set,
Go!
55 seconds. Okay, go, go, go. Round 1.
Go, sister!
Round 3.
Go, sister! Go, sister!
Oh,
Come on!
oh, good work.
Oh!
Go, go. You have 50 seconds. Oh, that was good.
It's that last one.
Seconds, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, one more, come on, one more.
Oh, shit!
11 seconds left. It's 20 of this. You need to make a line. All 20. And then just throw them all away. Okay? But you're going to be using your weaker hand. Okay? You're going to be using, which one is your weaker hand? The left. What's your weaker hand? Your right? Also left? Okay, so you have 55 seconds to put them all standing up, all 20, and then throw them all away. 55 seconds. Okay? Wanna go first? Yeah, right now. Okay, big round of applause for Jocelyn. Okay? Jocelyn. Have you done it before? No, first time? Well, first timers are lucky sometimes, right? Okay, so 55 seconds, okay? I need your help once again. I'm gonna say, ready, set, gonna say? Okay, so ready, set, go! 55 seconds, okay. 2, 3, 4, there you go. 5, also doing good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can do it. 10, 11. Very good time, you got a lot of time.
You're moving too slow.
13. Okay, she got 14 so far. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
That table was like structured.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so at the end you got only 5. Okay, you got 5 standing at the end. Now it's your turn, Kevin.
She might do better than him.
No. You know 20, okay? So, no, actually, you got 13. That was your best. Yeah, you got 13. So you need to be at least 13. Okay? But you need to go to 20. If you still have time, you need to go to 20. Yes? Okay, so once again, people, ready, set, go, Kevin. Go, Kevin. 55 seconds. Go, Kevin. That's 2. That's 3. Focus. 4 and 5. With all 20 to win. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're doing good, you're doing good. Oh! Come on, you still have time. Not plenty of time. 20 seconds. You have time, you have time. No rush, no rush, no rush. 11, 10. Almost there, come on. 3. Wait. Time's up. But you got 6:15, so Kevin is going to the final. Big round of applause for Kevin. There you go. Show again. Just stick around, I will be telling you.
Look, damn it. You better do it for the people.
I'm trying.
And win it.
I'm trying.
Win it all.
It better not be hard.
Win it all.
It better not be hard.
Win it all,
That
Jay.
man was on the ground.
These are the beautiful balls. And I put it in between
But
your
Shelly's up there.
knees. Come all the way here. And you need to drop it inside.
Shelly up there now, y'all.
this scarf.
3 of the 4 of us have
Yes,
been called.
inside this cup. Okay?
They gotta go at the same time.
Because I like it hard. Okay? So. What? As many as we can. As many as we can. The winner is going to be the